Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. My location is in Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah man, so big up on yourself, anyone I watch from yard and abroad. Big up on yourself, one love and one heart. Big up on yourself, and also you can indicate where you're watching from. So this is our beautiful island, Jamaica. I am in Mandeville, Manchester. My location is now right across on your left would be the Mega Mart food store. So let's take a tour with your tour guide, Fire Reid. Yeah man, you see them building here? Up on them size building here in Manchester. Which is Bloomfield Residential Rental Office. So you're gonna have a lot of office over there renting. So if you want to start a business and you need an office, you can check the location. On your left you have the Bloomfield close, so I'm heading towards the Greenvale roundabout. So when you head to the Greenvale roundabout, that roundabout can take you all to Winston Jones Highway, Spur Tree Hill, and where I'm coming from, which is Old Greenville Road. Yeah man, so we are going on a road trip today. Maybe this one gonna be a very long video because I want you all to understand how to get around Jamaica with ease. Have an understanding. If you decide to travel come to Jamaica and you want to travel to Manchester area, also to St. Elizabeth, you would see some form of landmark or so you have an understanding how the place set up. So on your left you would pass one sign with them call named Balvenie Heights when you're going towards the Greenvale roundabout. So your speed limit is 50 km/h, so must always remember the speed limit, and you have a lot of car marts in the area. So if you want your new and used car, you all can come to Mandeville. A lot of car marts. So I'm very close to the Greenvale roundabout, which could take you all to Spur Tree, Santa Cruz, Williamsfield, Winston Jones Highway. On your right, you have the Tropics View Hotel, Mandeville, Manchester. So we are now heading towards the Hartsfield area. In this area you would find a lot of roofing company, so Cameron Industrial. Yeah, if you can find a tile place, them place there, if you're searching for tile, you can come in this area. So in this area, them call it the wagon wheel area. You can find different type of car mart, and also you have a car mart there with them call him Boj car mart. I would normally recommend that car mart to you all. Yeah man, the Boj car mart. also in Abbey Garden, you have a organic farming over there in Abbey Garden. So if you want your strawberries, callaloo, sweet pepper, you can check out the Abbey Garden area. Look at the sign where you see slow obey flagman. So in this area you see where them have some road construction, so be careful when they come in them area. Them have some work taking place on the road. So you gotta be very careful, drive with care. I know at night time a lot of people will be speeding, dropping out one of them chencha. You can lose one of your family members. So we're having some nice weather today. We're heading towards the Kingsland area in Manchester. So Jamaica is not like one time before. You see a lot of changes. As you can see, a lot of cars on the road, a lot of traffic. Back in the days when you drive a Jamaica, sometimes you drive them place here, you're long for so and car up on the road. But things and time change. Everybody a drive down a Jamaica. Everybody own a vehicle. Most people. In this area you also have a call center, so we are now in the welcome to Kingsland area. So we are on the main road in Kingsland, and also you have a call center which is the Sutherland call center, and also you have a car mart in this area. A lot of car marts. On your right, you have the Griffiths Motor Car Sale and Rental. So I know when you all come from overseas and you need a car to rent, you can check out the Griffiths. information is not 100%. You know, this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. We have a lot of bad roads. A lot of bad roads in Jamaica. So if you come to Jamaica, you have to expect so you drive on bad road. When you're in this area, you have an curry goat shop. Yeah, man. So check out the curry goat shop on your left. If you want to do breakfast, it's Claudette Top Class Restaurant on your left. Yeah, man. And do them curry goat breakfast. Like you can have your goat liver with banana and dumpling, and also you can have your porridge. In the daytime now you have your curry goat and white rice or rice and peas, and if you prefer you have a manish water up on the side, so you can check out them place there. Jamaica nice, Jamaica beautiful, Jamaica pretty, natural beauty. Just travel the beautiful island of Jamaica. Place to go for a perfect vacation. No place like Jamaica. See all on your right, so one big of a plaza built up on your right, also a car mart over there, so you need to check out them place there too. Yeah man, check out them place there. So we are now approaching the Spurtree Hill area, and Spurtree Hill area, it's a very steep hill, very steep hill. So when you're driving in this area, you gotta drive with very carefully. At times you can have rainfall, slippery when wet. So guys, welcome to Spurtree Hill, Manchester. So my advice for you to travel in the Spurtree Hill area, it's 8% of, I think it's asphalt. So trucks use low gear for next 8 kilometers when you're driving on this road. So you see, if you drive a big unit for 8 kilometers, you're gonna use your low gear to drive on Spurtree Hill. Meaning anything can happen. Cut your speed, drive in low gear, so you have some compression that hold the engine so it can take you down very safely. A lot of people that are scared of Spurtree Hill, they must say, is the driver careless or reckless. But sometimes our vehicle develop mechanical problem. Sometimes because of the speed. If you were going at moderate speed and your vehicle develop a mechanical problem at that time, you would know exactly what to do. But if you're going at fast speed and your vehicle develop a mechanical problem, it's gonna be very hard for you to correct that situation. So you're gonna take your time in low gear and approach the hill with caution. Please, I'm asking you. Yeah man, see, this truck is going down very fast. So him not obey the road code. I don't love that. That's why we have so much accident in Jamaica. And that is that is not pleasing for the road users. Mark you can come in from the other direction, driving so carefully, and coming down the hill, you have a big unit coming down the hill, full speed, and he get out of control. No one would never want to tell that story. Very sad story. Just slow down, crash hotspot, which is in Spurtree Hill, Manchester. You know Spurtree Hill, you can see the two sides of the road. One side of mostly a hillside area, and the next side is also hillside also. If you travel this area, you can get a nice view over into the St. Elizabeth area. Going down the hill, you're gonna encounter a very steep, a very sharp corner. So you have to look out for that corner and navigate that corner very slowly. After you pass the all season restaurant, look out for a corner going down on Spurtree Hill. And also on Spurtree Hill, on the bottom of the hill, you can stop there at a car wash, and also you have your curry goat stop on the hill. So if you don't want to do curry goat or chicken or jerk chicken, you can't stop in that Spurtree Hill and get to the curry goat and jerk chicken and jerk pork. Just do the right thing. Leave in the comment section if you like this video. Leave a comment in the section and give it a big thumbs up. On your left, this is where you have the all season restaurant. All season restaurant, they do jerk chicken and jerk pork. After you pass the all season, now we're gonna encounter this corner. Remember, if the road is wet, it's slippery when wet, so be very careful. Yeah man, so we're gonna approach the corner here now. Nice and slow approach the corner. Very bumpy corner also. Very bumpy corner. So you can see the pothole in the road. So on your left we have a Claudette best stop, fish, coffee and tea on your left, right at Claudette. And across from Claudette, you also have an curry goat stop where you can get your managed water, your curry goat and rice and peas and white rice. And further down on the hill, yeah man, here's the man at the Palm Spurchy Hill. Here's a selling peanut porridge, corn soup, peanut. So you all need to check out when you come on Spurchy Hill. Just check out them spot there. Them there are some place we have to stop at Jamaica. You see outside cooking on the hood side fire, you get a different taste. A different taste of the food. Sometimes you see the log wood we are burn, or the pimenta wood we are burn. It give that food there one nice flavor. So now check out the street side food them. But I feel like say that I want a Jamaica tradition. Outside cooking. We need to check out them things there at Jamaica. If you come to Jamaica, you don't stop on the street side, get a plate of food. It come like you never come to Jamaica, because this is what Jamaica known for. Outside cooking. Cook on the outside fire. You see some more just burn your eyes. Very yeah, water just run out of your eyes. Somebody asks to say, if I cry, yeah, I cry. But because of the log wood and the pimento, it give off a burning flavor. So your eyes gonna burn you. So when you taste that on the food, you can say, yeah man, me there in Jamaica. I enjoy our beautiful island, our beautiful food. Coming up here on your left, which is the corn and the peanut porridge right here on your left, you see everybody come them, see everybody when they stop there, enjoy them food, them breakfast. You know, if you check out them place here. And right here, so now you have your peanut, watermelon, honey, nisberry. What you say? How you say, man? Jamaica nice. Can't give up our beautiful island. We all know crime and violence get out of hand. But I will never forget my sweet Jamaica. The people that just need to wise up, live in a peace. Yeah man. We are talking about again, enough people that understand, so when you come on the roadside, you must stop and get on a fresh jelly coconut. One lady down on the bottom of the hill here, right to that tree on your right here. Yeah man, a lady right over there. That lady over here, so that lady is selling different types of fruits, vegetable. See him have him pine, watermelon, coconut. So you see all the people that will tour Jamaica on a hot day, cold day, stop and get on a pineapple or a coconut water. It's good for the heart. And also put a lime in your coconut water, good for high blood pressure. Remember me I tell you now, man, I show you how Jamaica set up, you know. Yeah man. So you know, as Bob Marley would say, we're jamming. So when you come to Jamaica, most people try to go to the all-inclusive, but sometimes we have to check out the Airbnb. When you go to the all-inclusive, you're not going to see the real side of Jamaica. You only going to see some pretty things like say, yeah. But when you go outside of the all-inclusive, that's where you're going to see nature. You're going to see the beauty of Jamaica. Go to some riverside. Go to some outside cooking. What you talk about, man? You think it easy? If you come to Jamaica and not enjoy them type of life there. If you come to Jamaica and not enjoy them type of life there. It don't make no sense at all. Watch all this a bridge up on the hill so. That man a just set up his stall. Man a cook him soup. And the man a jerk him chicken and pork. So them things how we do in Jamaica to survive. Start a new business in Jamaica. Entrepreneur. You have to make your hand turn fashion. Enough people don't understand that in their life. Not everybody gonna have a 9 to 5, so you have to turn, make your hand make fashion. If you can't cook, try something. Build up a local stall on the roadside. If you don't try something in life, you're not gonna know where you stand. Sometimes we are doing things in our mind, but we all need to put it out there, not in our mind alone, because you have to go into action. So enough of the Jamaican people, them don't just take things out of the mind and put in action. But sometimes some people just want a little bit of help. Just a little bit of helping hand to start a business. Some people willing. Yeah man. So guys, so welcome to we're going into the St. Elizabeth area. So see the sign, sir. We are now leaving Spurtree Hill. So welcome to St. Elizabeth. We all know St. Elizabeth is the bread basket. Yeah man, St. Elizabeth is the bread basket of Jamaica, you know. Watch out that lady I cut him in pine and in million I put up I go sell. Honey pan stall same way in this area. So this is St. Elizabeth, the bread basket in Jamaica. When you talk about St. Elizabeth, St. Elizabeth can feed the whole of Jamaica with grown product. You go up on the south side of St. Elizabeth, farming area, new forest, them place there, and them provide a seasoning to sweet up your pot. Get that chicken there, that sweet taste. See the sign say gutters. In gutters area you can go to Goshen. If you make the left turn right here, could take you back to Alligator Pond. So in the gutters area on your right you have a bus service. The bus service them call it Knoxford Express. That's that Knoxford Express bus service that can take you to many different parishes in Jamaica. So what if you come from overseas and you want to go to your location and on that day you don't have a drive? You can check out the Knoxford Express bus service. He would take you to the closest location and you can ask someone to come and pick you up from your closest location. Very, very affordable than taking a private motor vehicle. Yeah man. So yeah, so nice, you know. Jamaica nice, always nice. Look at the sky, beautiful. Watch the video man, watch the video. So when you come to St. Elizabeth, there's a lot of things you can do in St. Elizabeth. You can tour the Pelican Bar in Black River area. You can get a nice view of Holland Bamboo, YS Falls, 77 West, GX, Jack Sprat on the beach. Yeah man, we all need to visit them here when we come in St. Elizabeth. For the patrol empty, you know, if you're dropping on one patrol, that costs you a whole heap of money for your front end, to chop a tire, and also at night time, you know, the nearest police station to this area would be, I think it's gonna be the Santa Cruz police station or the Nain police station. That's why I say I don't know the area, know the surrounding, you know. So we're now in the, I think this is the Pepper area. They call it a Pepper. Don't know the reason why they call it Pepper, but we're in the Pepper area. So driving in this area day or night, look out for stray animal. A lot of cow in this area, so look out for them stray animal there. When a cow run out by you at night time, you mash up a vehicle. Nobody gonna responsible for that cow. The problem gonna be all on you and your insurance. So when you come in that area here, so on the piece of street here, look out for stray animal, because you have a dairy farm very close by, and you know sometimes the cow them kind of come out of it and across the road, and you may be the bad lucky one driving at night, fast speed or slow, and hit that cow. come to Bamboo Jerk Hut on your left. So we're now in the Goshen area. So guys, welcome to Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz town area.